Ayan guys, kahit malamig na panahon, I'm just cooking outside, of course. Ayan, o diba? Very cold guys, ayan. Mga kalindog, look, the weather, the sky is gray and very, ayan, cloudy. O diba? It's cold. And pakita ko sa inyo what I'm cooking here outside guys, mga kalindog. Look at here. Ayan guys, yan ang ating ragu sauce. O di ba nagluluto ako mga kalindog sa labas. O di ba mukha pa lang. Yummy na. Ayan, halo-halo. Kailangan hintayin natin siyang maging thick. Pag naging thick na siya or malapot, it's already. O di ba? Tignan nyo. O di ba? Ang daming tomato sauce with giniling na baka. Oh my God, nagkakamali na naman tayo. Saraduin natin, hintayin natin. At ayan guys, diba ang itsura ko, ayan, daldal ako ng daldal, pero giniginawa ko, hindi nyo lang alam anong sinabi ko. Well, ako na lang nakakaalam. I am the only one who know what I'm saying. Chicken or lumapot. Tama nga ba? Okay, let's wait na lumapot siya. When it's already chicken, diragu, ayan guys, it's ready. At ayan guys, habang maghintay tayo, ayan, magkain muna ako ng banana. Ayan, while I'm waiting my sauce, I'm gonna eat banana because I'm hungry na guys, mga kalindog. So hungry and drink coffee, o diba? Ayan mga kalindog, hintay-hintayin lang natin, just wait a little bit so until the ragu it's getting thickened and right. Ayan, I think it's almost ready, almost done. Ayan guys, look at that mga kalindog, o diba lumalabas na, the oil, ayan, they're getting oily from the giniling na baka. Ayan guys, mga kanindog, the grind meat or grind beef is, ayan, very, ayan naman tayo sa very, it's very, ang taba, diba? So ayan guys, almost ready. Ayan, did you see? Nakita nyo mga kalindog, o diba, very oily. Yan ang oil ng ating beef. That's the oil from our beef, grind beef guys. So let's go until I'm waiting. Ayan, I'm just boiling also the water for my spaghetti. Ayan, I use the spaghetti guys, and let's put some salt already. And I use the spaghetti, the thin spaghetti, o diba, yummy. So ayan guys, let's put na the spaghetti. Ayan, after the salt I put. Ayan, at of course, let's mix a little bit. Halu-haluin. Ayan, hanggang sa ang ating spaghetti, it's going to cook. It's ready cooked. O diba, ayan, yummy. Ayan guys, let's eat na. I put na the spaghetti. So, at ang kanyang ragu sauce. And I add also the cheese. Ayan, Victoria's waiting also, guys. Mga kalindog. And I add the cheese. Ayan guys, good appetit. Ayan, watch me while I'm eating guys. Mga kalindog. I will show you. Oh my God, I'm very PG. Oh, you know what is PG, guys? You can Google what is PG. I'm already PG for my spaghetti. Ayan. Look at me, guys, mga kalindog, while I'm eating. Ayan, diba? Yummy. Diba? Enjoy lang the food. Enjoying my spaghetti. Ay, ang init. Very hot, guys. Kaya dahan-dahan lang, slowly but surely. O diba, ang sarap ng aking subo. My first subo is also for my car. Ayan. I know he's watching and I hope, laman, my car. Ayan, thank you all to my member. Hipan-hipan muna, biscuits. Let's, oh my God. Sarap, diba? Yummy. So ayan guys, tahimik muna tayo ha. Ang sarap talaga, di ba? Gusto kong tikman ninyo muna pakinggan ninyo ang acting kain. Guys, look at this. Yummy. Di ba? Ayan. Inggit pa more sa ating mga viewers. Sarap. Ayan guys, talaga. Diyos ko. One plate is enough for me, but this plate guys is too much. Diba? Ang dami. O ayan, hipan ulit. And subo again. Ayan, diba? Wag na tayong pa-arte-arte. No more arte-arte, guys. When you are hungry, go eat. O, diba? Ayan, guys. Wait lang. Ayan, almost done na. Mauubos na. It's almost finished. Guys, mga kalindog. I think 2 fork more. Ayan, no? Ayan, guys. Pakita ko na sa inyo. Look at this. Ay, naku, guys. Mga kalindog, I really enjoy my spaghetti. Diba? Subo pa more. O, diba? Yummy. So, ayan guys. I show you the last or the second last of my spaghetti con ragu. O, diba? Yummy. Big mouth. And of course, another one. Just go look at my lips. Oh, they have still the cheese. Oh, yummy. So guys, that's it. Oh guys, bottom up. So bye guys. Ang sarap, diba? Enjoy lang. Oh my God. Well, I think guys, I'm going to sleep a little bit, huh? So there we go guys. I'm on the couch going to sleep. Bye. So guys, please subscribe.